Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is honor for me together with you today. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Arif from Persero Batam. Persero Batam is a state-owned company headquartered in Batu Ampar and operates in the logistic and service sector. Persero has lent the function as a place to store, export, and import containers. The company has also collaborated with SITC companies from China and implement a national standard work safety system, abbreviated as ISO. Thank you for your attention.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to introduce myself. I'm Alia Rosa Haryanto. I'm from GNE in the Logistic Department. And I work at PTGNE Indonesia, which is tasked with developing and implementing logistic management, which includes procurement, care and maintenance, and inventory of goods, general supplies, equipment, facilities and construction, as well as transportation. GNE Indonesia is a logistic and goods expedition company from Indonesia with its head office in West Jakarta, Indonesia. GNE is known as one of the largest goods expedition companies in Indonesia because its network coverage and distribution area is very wide. So many people use shipping service through this company. And I think that's all about my job. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure to be here with you today. First, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Stephen Chelsea Jovan Kalase. I'm from PT by Bintan. PT by Bintan is a large company in Bintan, excavated in the bauxite in alumina processing industry. Maybe you are familiar with the name of this company. That's all can say. Thank you.
Hello everyone. First, I will introduce myself. Hello, good evening. My name is Sanjay Simanjuntak. I am from in Batam. I come from PT Inalum. PT Inalum is a state-owned enterprise (BUMN). My position this company is as manager. Of course, I am a manager in the company. BUMN is a collaboration between the Indonesian government and 12 companies from Japan. Inalum operates in the downstream sector of national aluminum commodities, responsible for directing, planning, controlling, and leading a company so that it runs smoothly, managing staff work schedules, and if there are new employees. I carry out training for staff so that they can work well. We produce the country grown aluminum with premium quality, which prioritizes sustainability and strives to minimize the impact the environment. That's all I can say about my company. Thank you. See you.
Hello everyone, good evening. Please will introduce myself. My name is Najwa Yaptri from ID Project. ID Project is a privately owned company that works in the contractor sector. Foundation as a place for design, build, renovation, interior, and maintenance service. Location at Buana Central Park, Batuaji, Batam City. I have the position as office admin, who is responsible document management and maintenance archive system. I joined company for 1 year. That's all my introduction. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, I like to introduce myself, Juan Rafa Aulia, sales representative from of Gucci. This is Italia fashion brand, known for luxury and prestige. This history that includes more than just elegant and iconic design. Our main activities are selling various kinds of our products like bag, clothes, and another. Thank you for attention. Good evening.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to be here with you today. First, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Nadia Tari Musyarofa from PT Freeport, Indonesia. PT Freeport, one of the world's leading mining companies, conducts exploration, mining, and processing ore containing copper, gold, and silver in the highlands of Mimika Regency, Papua Province, Indonesia. That's all for me. Thank you your kind attention.
Hello everyone, first I will introduce myself. My name is Nadia Belana Arianisha, I'm from Batam and I'm from PT Retailing Indonesia. My position in the company is a manager. Of course, I am a manager at the Uniqlo company. This company comes from Japan and which operates in the fashion sector. I'm responsible for directing and ensuring store operation runs smoothly, managing staff, work schedule, and if there are new employees, and I train staff so they can work well. This company already exists in several countries such as China and Vietnam, and to reach agreement in selling the company product has strategic steps, namely promotion and marketing, design and production, as well as product development and preparing sales strategy. Okay, that's all I can say about my company. Thank you.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I will first introduce myself. My name is Fatima Azhara. I'm working for the company Green Tech Solution. Green Tech Solution is an Amsterdam-based company specializing in green technology, our own renewable energy development with successful implementation in solar energy processing and energy storage solution in various European countries. In my role as a renewable energy specialist, I act as a project manager overseeing several key endeavors in the field of sustainable technologies. With 5 years of experience working in Amsterdam, I have dedicated myself to advancing environmental solutions that contribute to a cleaner and greener future. I hope this introduction has given you a good overview of my role at Green Tech Solution. Thank you for your time and attention.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honor to be here with you today. First, I would like to introduce myself. I am Tengku Muhammad Gibran Fikri as a sales representative of Tesla company. As we know, Tesla is an electric car company founded by Elon Musk. Tesla is a great company in USA. Our main activities are to offer some of our superior products, such as like Tesla Model X. You may rarely see this car on the road because this car is kinda expensive, but has advantage that worth the price. Thank you for your attention. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, let me introduce myself first. My name is Kansa Febrianti. I'm from PT Panasonic Batam. Before I begin, let me tell you a little about myself. I'm from Batam. I graduate from Polytechnic Negeri Batam, majoring in Logistik Perdagangan Internasional. I work at PT Panasonic Batam as a warehouse manager. PT Panasonic is a world-class manufacturer in the field of electronic product, especially for the needs of ordinary consumer and business. PT Panasonic now operates in 80 countries, including Indonesia. That's a brief introduction about myself. If there is anything missing, I'm sorry and thank you.
Hello, let me introduce myself, Pinky. I'm a salesperson at a company, namely PT Sedayu Citra Mobil, which is gadget selling Triton and Honda Benelli cars. The price of which are very affordable and there is a lot of interest among Gen Z. Thank you for the introduction for me as a salesperson at the PT Sedayu company cars. Bye bye.